Divide and simplify fractions. I'm Anil Kumar and I'll show you how to divide and simplify fractions. We have three simple examples here. 6 over 8 divided by 9 over 10. 15 over 16 is a fraction which is divided by another fraction, 5 divided by 12. And then we have 4 over 9 divided by 8 over 15. Now the idea here is we need to divide and then simplify fractions. My approach here will be to actually multiply. My approach will be to multiply, simplify fractions. So I'll show you what I mean, right? So here we have a division statement. Say 6 divided by 8 is a fraction, right? Divided by 9 divided by 10. Well, let's write division as multiplication first. 6 over 8, we could write this as times 10 over 9. So that is my first step. Instead of dividing, we should multiply by its reciprocal, right? So we say multiply by reciprocal. So division is multiply by reciprocal. And that is reciprocal of 9 over 10, right? Now the second step should be simplify, right? So let's simplify. 6 over 8 times 10 over 9. Do you see some common factors? Well, there is a common factor between 6 and 8, which is 2, right? So we can divide both by 2. We get 3 here and 4. Now 3 and 9, there is a common factor 3. We can divide 3 by 3 getting 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 4 and 10 both can be divided by 2. So we get 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So that is how we can simplify. Dividing by common factors. So that is simplify. Okay. Now what we do at this stage? We again multiply. So our steps are multiply, simplify, and then multiply. So let's multiply now. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 times 2 is 6. So that is how we can actually divide and simplify fractions, correct? Now it's kind of tricky. Division is same as multiplication by reciprocal, and once you get to multiply, you can multiply and then simplify, but at times it is better to simplify and then multiply. Kind of tricky. Let's go ahead with it. 15 over 16, so we have got 15 over 16 divided by 5 over 12 means multiply by 12 over 5, correct. Second step is to simplify. We can divide these by 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 1 is 5. We can divide these by 4. 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 4 is 16. Now we should multiply. So we get 3 times 3 as 9, 4 times 1 as 4. So that is our answer. In this particular case, we got improper fraction. It's a good idea to write it as a mixed fraction. So 4 goes 2 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 whole numbers, right? What are you left with? 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 is the remainder. 1 over 4. Correct? Let me show you this division separately. So we are dividing 9 by 4. 4 times 2 is 8 and the remainder is 1. That is what we are trying to say. So 9 over 4, 9 divided by 4 is 2 wholes. That is 2 wholes. 1 remainder, 1/4, right? So that is how we should write our answer. Another example, the last one for this video. 4 over 9 divided by 8 over 15 means times 15 over 8. Next step for us should be simplify. We can divide both by 4. 4 times 1, 4 times 2 is 8. And these ones can be divided by 3, right? So we get 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 5 as 15. That results into 1 times 5 is 5 and 3 times 2 is 6, which is a proper fraction. In the lowest terms, so you should actually write all your answers in lowest terms. If you get improper fraction, write it as a mixed fraction. So that is how you should be doing division and simplification of fractions. I hope you appreciate it. Thank you and all the best.